Just doing a real quick video. What you see before you is the Medic 60075 MediFirst 1 inch by 3 inch adhesive bandage strips. There's 16 of them in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and open it on up. I'm going to bite it on open. But the cool thing I like about this is things always tend to happen. Either you can get hurt or you can have a little one with you that gets hurt. It's just nice to be able to have them on hand instead of just having them at the house and having them at the office or at wherever. It's nice to be able to just have them, to have some with you. So what I like to do is I'm going to take 2 of them out and go ahead and put the rest of them inside the box. But what I like to do is just, here's my purse here. I like to stick some inside my purse so that if anything should happen to come up, I have some with me, which is always nice. So, thank you so much for watching.